ohmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome back to today's video in which we're going to be learning to determine whether or not a pair of lines is actually parallel or not. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, so in this case you're given two lines. You're given line M and line N, right? So you're given the two lines graphed and you're going to determine if they are both parallel, which is the symbol we have here on the left, right? So we're going to follow some steps. The first thing is that you are going to identify 2 points of each line, right? That's the first thing you're going to be doing. After that, you're going to obtain the slopes of both of them. And last but not least, you're going to see that if both slopes are exactly the same number, then they are both parallel. Okay, so again, first let's try identifying the 2 points of each line. Okay, so on line M, we see that it passes through point -1 and 4. And it also passes through line 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it passes through point 2, 8 as well. And then in the case of M, is going to be 3, 1, right? And it's also going to be 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to also be 0.6, 6, right? So in this case, we're going to see that the slope of line M is going to be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is going to be 8 minus 4, and then 2 minus 1. So it's going to be 4 divided by 3. And then the slope of n is going to be y2 again minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is going to be 6, y1 is going to be 1, x2 is going to be 6, and x1 is going to be 3. 6 minus 1 is 5, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So because the slopes are not exactly the same value, one is 4/3 and the other one is 5/3, the slopes are not going to be the same. Because of that, they are not parallel. So that means that M is not parallel with N. They are not parallel. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So feel free to rewatch the video and try looking for other points, and you will see that they are not going to be parallel because the slopes are not the same. So see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!